Meaning of impressive.
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 Impressive. The term impressive is used to describe something that evokes admiration, respect, or awe due to its outstanding qualities or achievements. For example, a performance or a product may be impressive if it exceeds expectations and displays exceptional skill or creativity. In essence, something that is impressive leaves a lasting impact on the audience or user due to its remarkable nature. It can also connote a sense of magnitude or grandeur. The word conveys a positive connotation and is often used to praise someone for their hard work, talent, or accomplishments.